So you'll end up just stripping it. See how much clay's in it? So what I did was took a screwdriver that's thicker, and I kind of grinded down the edges of it so that it'll fit in here and be a little more snug so I don't strip it, round it off. So we'll go ahead and get this idle jet out of here, and then go on to the next one. Okay, got that out of there. Alright, now the next one. It was a little bit too big yet, but you know what, luckily I'm standing on concrete. There we go, I don't have to go into the garage and fire up the stone.